Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to tag everyone on Slack. So let's start. First, open your Slack workspace and navigate to the channel where you want to tag everyone. For example, let's go to this general channel. In the message field at the bottom of the screen, type at channel, followed by your message. For example, I will type in, please finish your task within a day. Then press enter to send your message. This will notify every member of the workspace, including those who are not currently active in the channel where the message was sent. It is important to use the at channel mentioned sparingly, as it can be disruptive to the members of the workspace who are not currently active in the channel where the message was sent. Use it only for important announcements or urgent messages that require the attention of everyone in the workspace. So that's it for our video. If you wanted to know how to tag everyone on Slack, that is the easiest way I know how. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, kindly give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much and see you on the next video.